Welcome to Trading Psychology Journal. Today we're going to uncover what most trading gurus and self-proclaimed experts don't want you to know about day trading for beginners. You see, behind every shiny success story, every Instagram screenshot of profits, and every secret strategy they promise to sell you, there's a deeper truth. A truth that can make or break your journey as a day trader. This isn't another tutorial about how to day trade or a quick guide to making fast money. This is a psychological deep dive into why most people fail, why a few succeed, and why what you've been told about day trading might be exactly what's holding you back. So sit back, take a deep breath, because by the end of this, you'll see the market and yourself in a way you never have before. When most people search for day trading for beginners, they want shortcuts. They want to know which indicator works best, what time frame to use, what broker to choose, or how much money they can make per day. But here's the harsh truth. The market doesn't care how fast you want results. It only rewards those who think differently, those who respect the process more than the profit. Every professional day trader you've ever heard of, whether in day trading stocks, day trading forex, or day trading crypto, and day trading said in mine, went through a phase of obsession. They studied charts for hours, lost sleep, blew accounts, and faced doubt that would crush an average person. But they all discovered the same secret. Consistency is not built through knowledge alone. It's built through control. Control over your impulses, your fear, and your desire for instant gratification. Let's start with the biggest illusion in the trading world, that trading is about predicting the market. It's not. Trading is about reacting, managing uncertainty with discipline. The market doesn't reward prediction, it rewards patience. You might think how to day trade is about learning setups and signals, but the truth is, it's about learning yourself. Now let's talk about what these so-called experts never say. They'll show you winning trades, perfect charts, and simple strategies, but they'll never tell you that day trading is 90% emotional warfare. They'll never tell you that your biggest enemy isn't the market. It's you. Every click, every trade, every second you watch that candle move, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical responsible for addiction. That's why so many new traders overtrade. It's not because they're stupid, it's because they're human. The market becomes a mirror, reflecting your every weakness. So when you wonder how to day trade for beginners, remember this. Your strategy might take you far, but your psychology will decide if you survive. Now, let's dive deeper into the 3 hidden truths that experts don't talk about. Truth number 1, most traders don't fail because of bad strategies. They fail because of bad habits. They jump from one method to another. One week they're trading breakouts, the next week, moving averages, and the next, they're convinced crypto is the way to go. That's not trading. That's chaos disguised as ambition. A true day trader treats the market like an athlete treats their sport. You master one technique. You study one playbook. You learn how to stay calm under pressure. You don't change your game plan every time you lose. So whether you're into day trading forex, day trading stocks, or day trading crypto, remember, mastery comes from repetition, not variety. Truth number 2, the market doesn't reward intelligence, it rewards emotional control. You can have the perfect setup, the best risk-to-reward ratio, and still lose money if you can't follow your own rules. The experts know this. That's why they sell strategies, not discipline. Because discipline can't be packaged. It must be earned through pain, loss, and reflection. So before you look for how to trade forex, how to trade stocks, or how to trade crypto, ask yourself a harder question. Can I stay calm when the market goes the opposite way? Can I take a loss and not chase the next trade to make it back? Can I follow my plan even when I don't feel like it? If the answer is yes, you're already ahead of 90% of traders. Truth number 3, trading success is not about knowing more, it's about doing less, better. The best traders don't trade all day, they wait. They stalk the market, like hunters, patient and focused. 1 or 2 quality setups a day, that's it. They understand something beginners overlook. In trading, less is more. Fewer trades, fewer indicators, fewer emotions. They cut out the noise and master the silence between decisions. That's what separates the professional from the amateur. Stillness. Now, let's talk about what you can do. If you truly want to understand how to day trade for beginners, start by building a foundation, not of strategies, but of self-awareness. Here's what that looks like. Keep a trading journal. Write down not just your trades, but your thoughts, your emotions, your reasons. This is how you identify your patterns. Respect risk. Never risk more than you can emotionally handle losing. It's not just about money, it's about mental stability. Create routine. Every great day, trader has a structure. When to trade, when to stop, when to rest. Study one market first. Don't jump between day trading crypto and day trading forex every week. Learn the rhythm of one market until it becomes second nature. Detach from results. Your goal isn't to win every trade, it's to make good decisions repeatedly, because once you master that, profit becomes a side effect, not the goal. Now let me share a story. There was a trader who started with just $500. He wasn't smarter than anyone else. He didn't have a fancy setup or secret algorithm, but he did one thing differently. He treated trading like a mirror of his mind. Every loss became a lesson in patience. Every win became a test of humility. He realized that the chart wasn't his enemy, it was his teacher. And the moment he stopped chasing money, he started attracting consistency. Years later, he turned that $500 into a full-time career, not because he mastered the market, but because he mastered himself. That trader could be anyone, including you. If you've made it this far, you already have something most beginners don't: patience. And patience is the foundation of mastery. So the next time you search for day trading for beginners, remember this: you're not just learning how to trade, you're learning how to think. You're learning how to manage uncertainty, risk, and emotion. The same skills that define every successful human being. Whether your passion is day trading stocks, day trading forex, or day trading crypto, never forget. The market is your greatest teacher, but only if you're humble enough to listen. And when you feel lost, come back here, to this channel, to Trading Psychology Journal, because this is where we strip away the illusions and focus on what truly matters: your mind, your discipline, and your growth as a trader. Thank you for listening, and remember, trade wisely, think deeply, and never let emotions drive your decisions.